Since the pandemic hit New Mexico, the governor has been calling the shots, from what can stay open and what should be closed to deciding how some emergency money is spent. But as News 13's Rachel Knapp explains, lawmakers want more say when it comes to public health emergencies.
For almost a year, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham has been issuing public health orders to combat the coronavirus.
Recreational facilities, movie theaters, and flea markets are also directed to close by virtue of an order that will be effective tomorrow.
From mask wearing to business limitations and even where emergency funds should be spent, the governor has been the key decision maker on these public health orders. But there's now a bipartisan push for legislators to have more say.
The issue that has impacted every New Mexican for the last 10 months without any legislative real involvement has been a concern to me.
We're the ones that appropriate money. We should have some measure of control over what's happening, and we've given up that control. That's not the governor's fault, that's our fault. And so we need to kind of, and I agree with the term clawback. In this situation, I think that's the accurate term. We've got to claw back our power.
State law says public health emergencies expire after 30 days, but can be renewed by the governor. In this bill, public health emergencies would expire after 90 days unless the governor calls a legislature into a special session. From there, state lawmakers would decide on extending, suspending, or amending the public health emergency.
This is no criticism to the governor, but I also believe that we have a responsibility to our constituents to be part of some of that decision-making process.
But not everyone is on board with this bill.
I would just feel so much better about exerting authority if we actually held it in structure.
But ultimately, the committee passed the bill on a 7-2 vote. It now heads to House Judiciary. Rachel Knapp, KRQE, News 13.
We asked the governor's office for a comment on this bill. They said, quote, with a part-time legislature that convenes once a year, it's difficult to conceive the benefit of restricting an executive's authority to respond with speed using evidence-based policies to protect New Mexicans in an emergency. We'll post the full statement online.